Welcome to my channel Blackbird. The channel is created only to give review on various pens, pencils and some other writing instruments. There is a saying that pen is mightier than the sword. So to fight a battle, what we need is a good pen. Before going to the review, please like my video, share among your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell button and select all videos to get the first notification of this channel. If you want to buy or sell any kind of fountain pens, you can join my own WhatsApp channel named Pen World. The link has given in the description box. There is also a Telegram group of the same name. If you join the WhatsApp group, there you will get the link of Telegram group. There is also a group on FB, Facebook. The name of the group is Pen World, the same name. So if you want to get such pens or want to sell such pens, you can join in my channels. Now today I am going to review a pen named Ratnam fountain pen. Here it is on the clip, it is written Ratnam. The Ratnam pen, named after its founder K.V. Ratnam, since 1932. The pen is a symbol of, this Ratnam is a symbol of India's Swadeshi movement. When German Chancellor Angela Merkel visited India in November, Prime Minister Narendra Modi gifted her a Ratnam pen along with a handloom woolen khadi stole from Ladakh. Ratnam pen works named after the founder K.V. Ratnam. The story behind Mahatma Gandhi and his pen is what gave it the tag of Swadeshi. Gandhiji was not a man who liked to pose. Gopal Krishna Gandhi, his grandson, once wrote, "If his working hand were to be imagined, it would be at the spinning wheel or in the act of writing." It is believed that he wrote 31,000 letters in his own lifetime, which is why in most of his pictures he is seen doing one of the two activities. It is known that during India's freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhi encouraged the use of products manufactured in India, which is called Swadeshi movement, to reject or avoid any kind of foreign goods. So, Gandhiji met K.V. Ratnam in the year 1921 and he advised him to make a product using solely Indian components. He asked Gandhiji, "What is the item I have to make?" and was told, "You can make anything from a pin to a pen," said K.V. Ramanamurthy, Ratnam's son. Thus began the legacy of Ratnam pen works. So it is a great historical pen too, and it is a symbol of Swadeshi movement. It is a symbol of India's struggle for independence. When all the Indians were struggling to adopt India's product and to reject the foreigners' product. In 1933, after meticulously breaking down a fountain pen and studying its intricacies, Ratnam sent Gandhi a pen he made only to face rejection. Given its raw components were imported, it fell short of the requirements put forth by Gandhi. The pen was not truly Indian. A year later, after J.C. Kumarappa, Secretary of All India Village Industries Association, visited Rajamundry and decided to help Radnam in his venture, the Swadesi pen was created. Thanking Radnam for his efforts, Gandhiji wrote him in a note which said, "Dear Radnam, I have used the fountain pen and it seems to be a good substitute to the foreign pen one sees in the bazaar." This note sits proudly in Radnam ball pen works even today. Now I am going to review the pen itself. There is a inscription of Radnam on the clip, and it's a very hardy pen made of ebonite, and there is a screw cap, and the nib is very unique, though it's a nib made in China. Here it is written that the nib is made in China. The nib is made in China, but it's a very beautiful pen, and there are some Chinese language inscripted on the nib, and this is the feed of the pen, and this is the grip section, and it's a regular pen, that is eyedropper mode, and a very good pen, very hardy pen. And I am giving the writing sample of the pen. Yes, it is very smooth pen, and the flow is amazing. It's a very good flow. So a very good pen, there is no skipping. So it's a very good pen and hardy pen and very smooth writing. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.